6 easy and realistic ways to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a recent sensation in the artificial intelligence side. Many people have already started making money with ChatGPT. In this video, you will get to know 6 different ways where you can earn money with ChatGPT, and these are not hard and difficult ways. These are easy and realistic ways. If you can utilize this tool properly, there are n number of ways that you can make money. Please watch this video till the end. Let's get into the video. The first way is on many platforms like Chat, Coursera, etc. If you regularly watch my videos, I have mentioned these platforms multiple times. So these are all the platforms where you can make money by solving others' doubts, others' questions, etc. Mostly students will be posting their doubts and questions, and you need to answer their questions. So if you can do it successfully, then ultimately you can earn some money. There were some difficulties in that process because it might be difficult for you if the questions were hard. But if you can utilize this ChatGPT, you can ask literally anything to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been trained with huge data across the world, so it can literally help you to solve 90% of the problems in the world. So the reason why I said 90% is because even though ChatGPT will give you answers to everything that you ask, you might need your human intelligence to verify whether it's right or not. But still, you can utilize the ChatGPT to give answers in those platforms, and you can literally make a lot. And the second way is offer your services as a content writer freelancer. ChatGPT is undoubtedly a content machine. It's an AI generated content machine. So you can make use of ChatGPT to produce many content pieces. So brands and individuals might need you to write articles, blogs, or social media content for them. So if you can offer your services as a freelancer, then ultimately you can use ChatGPT to generate content hooks, content intros, and you can utilize ChatGPT to make your content writing journey more easy. You can produce better quality content with the help of ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to research about the content, so it can help you a lot to write content for social media and to write content for web as well. And number 3 is become a ghostwriter for individuals and brand. You can become a ghostwriter for individuals or companies, and you can manage the social media profiles, and you can write content regularly. So you might need to research a lot because you need to replicate the brand or the individual that you are representing. You need to research a lot about the niche that you are writing in. So you can utilize ChatGPT to write better content. It will provide you better hooks and content suggestions. So you can utilize ChatGPT to become a ghostwriter and earn money. And number 4, write an effective resume. So if you are a student or even if you are an employee who is trying to switch jobs, you can utilize ChatGPT to write resume. If you can explain ChatGPT what is the role that you are applying or what is the role that you are currently working in, it will help you to write a better resume. You can add job responsibilities, you can add job summary, you can add anything out there. Also, you can use ChatGPT to sell resumes and make money. You can offer your resume writing services to freshers, working professionals. This is another way that you can make money using ChatGPT. And number 5, become a script writer for content creators. YouTubers or content creators need script. Scripting is a time-taking and difficult process for all the content creators out there. Even if I am making this video, I need script. Without the script, without the thoughts, that I cannot create a video randomly, right? So you can help content creators to write script for them. You can research about what topics that they want to make video on, and you can also give them a detailed high-level script so that it will help them to shoot videos. In this way, you can earn money by offering your script writing services to content creators. And number 6, build code-based applications and sell your applications as a freelancer. You can use ChatGPT to write code because ChatGPT has already proved that it can solve complex coding problems. So if you are building an app, you can use ChatGPT to build large-scale coding apps and even small-scale coding apps, and you can sell those apps as a freelancer. You can register in platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and you can sell your apps out there. And also, if people need any help with web development or app development, you can use ChatGPT to build your application. If you're stuck somewhere, if you're facing any errors with your code, you can simply ask ChatGPT to help you with that, and ChatGPT will help you instantly so that you can complete building your application without errors. These are all the 6 ways that you can make money using ChatGPT. Start utilizing ChatGPT as early as possible because ChatGPT is still in its earlier days. You can't say whether ChatGPT will be available for free forever. So make use of the ChatGPT as long as it's available for free. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to know about it, please share this video. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.